Hi friends, this is Dr. Shailesh Pai and I represent Team Conceptual Orthopedics. I'm excited to announce the 5th anniversary of the Conceptual Orthopedics app. It seems like just yesterday when we began this wonderful journey with you all under the able guidance of all the senior faculties in the Conceptual Orthopedics. 5 years ago, we set out on a mission to create a learning platform, a platform that will make it a level playing field for any orthopedic resident across the country to learn all the intricacies of orthopedics. Since then, we have achieved so much together, from the incorporation of various online courses to the accomplishment of multiple physical offline courses, be it the PG teaching programs, the OSCE sessions, the arthroplasty, basic and advanced CORA programs, or the trauma, foundation, and pinnacle courses. Today, our catalog consists of thousands of videos covering the entire spectrum of orthopedics, making learning easily available to everyone, everywhere. Throughout this journey, your feedback has been invaluable. We were able to implement various updates in the app, making the app navigation seamless and with great experience thanks to our tech team. Together, we have accomplished a lot, but we understand that our responsibilities are ever growing and we promise you to keep pushing our boundaries. As we move forward, our commitment to the best in class learning experience remains unwavered. As we commemorate this milestone, we want to take a moment to acknowledge you, our subscribers. Together, let's look forward to have more exciting projects to make our learning process still better. Thank you very much.